Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. In the previous video of the Python series, we learned about the arithmetic operator. The second type of operator we're going to learn today is the relational operator. They're used for comparing two expressions and results in either true or false. In an expression comparing both arithmetic and relational operators, the arithmetic operators have a higher precedence than the relational operator. So let's learn about the relational operator. Relational operator are comparatively easy to arithmetic operators because we already know all the operators, which is greater than, less than, and equal to. So let's just see. So the first operator we're going to learn about in the relational operator is the greater than. This operator returns true if the left operand is greater than the right operand. For example, let's take a variable a and assign it a value of 9. And let's take a second variable b and let's assign a value 6 to it. So now I'm going to use the relational operator to compare the two variables. So let's take print command and a greater than b. So let's see what will be the output be. As you see, it's true because 9 is greater than 6, so the value will come as true. But suppose I give the value of b as 10. I should be getting the output as false. So let's see. As you see, we get the output as false. And in the relational operator, you only get output as true or false. So this is the first symbol which you learned in relational operator, which is the greater than. The second one will be the opposite of it, which will be less than. In this again, the output should be true because 10 is greater than 9 or 9 is less than 10. So true. But if you assign the value b again to its original value 6, it will come as false. As simple as that. So next, we're going to learn about the equal to operator. But we need to focus on one thing. That is, in equal to operator, we are not using the equal symbol for the equal to operator because we're using the equal symbol to assign a certain value to a variable. That's why we use two equal to symbols, which is equal to compare whether two values are equal or not. See here, we use the equal to symbol to already assign the value 9 to the variable a. That's why we can't use again whether a is equal to b. It'll come a different output. We just try it. As you see, it comes an error. That's why we need to use two equal to symbol to compare the value a and b. So let's use a equal to b. We get the output false, and that's correct because 9 is not equal to 6. But suppose we gave the value for a as also 6. We get it as true. So this is very simple to understand, but we need to keep in mind that to compare two variable values or two values, we need to use two equal to symbol, not one. Because if you use one equal to symbol, we are assigning a value to the variable. So the next operator in relational operator would be the not equal to. Many people will not be familiar to not equal to because we don't use much in maths. So this operator only returns true if both the operands are not equal. So how do we know whether two operands are not equal? So same, a is equal to 6 and b is equal to 6. Print a. For the not equal to, we need one exclamatory mark. So it will be one exclamatory mark and an equal to symbol. So, and here the output will be false because we are seeing whether these two variables are not equal to, but in this case both are equal, so the output should be false. As easy as that. Let's check the other case where both are not equal. So 6 and 1, here will come true because 6 is not equal to 1. That's what the operator suggests. And the next operator we're going to learn about is the greater than or equal to. This operator returns true if the left operand is greater than or equal to the right operand. So Let's take we'll just take as numericals instead of taking variables, which will be much easier to understand in this case. So print 10 greater than or equal to 10. Here we get the value as true because here we're using two symbols is greater than or equal to, so it satisfies any one criteria and it's satisfying the equal to criteria, that's why it comes as true. Or even if I use 10 greater than equal to 9, here also the value should come as true. As you see, it comes true. But if it gives some other value which does not satisfy any criteria, then the value will come as false or the output will come as false. Suppose we give 11 here the output will be false. It's simple to understand. We just need to see these two as different criteria to see whether a certain value fits in any one of the criteria which is greater than or equal to. And then next and the last operator would be less than or equal to. It's same as this operator, the only difference is instead of using the greater than symbol, we are using the less than symbol. Here the output is false because 1 is definitely not, or 10 is not less than 1 and 10 is not equal to 1. It does not satisfy any criteria, so the output will be false. But suppose I give here the value 11, then the output will be true because it satisfies one criteria, which is this, that 10 is less than 11, and it will satisfy the other criteria too, equal to. So here again we get the output as true. So relational operators comparatively an easy operator to understand. Basically all the operators are easy to understand. The main operator which we're going to learn the next video is actually about the logical operator. Only logical operators very important to understand because we have not seen it anywhere, because the previous two videos, the arithmetic operator and the relational operator, we already learned in maths, so it's easier to understand and grasp. So that's it guys, I hope you like the video. Thank you.